Hello dear students. Now in a previous video we have discussed one method of solution of pair of linear equations, that is substitution, and also solved one example. Now today we are going to discuss another method of solving linear equations. Okay, so let's get start. So today we are going to discuss the method of elimination, that is elimination method for finding the solution of pair of linear equations. So first I am going to solve a question, then I will discuss the steps. Okay, so first question is solve the system of linear equation using the elimination method. So 3x plus 2y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y equal to 4. So given equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y equal to 4. So we have to solve this question by elimination method. Elimination means you have to eliminate one variable. But how you can eliminate one variable from these two linear equations? You can eliminate the variable x, or you can eliminate variable y. It is up to you. Okay, so for elimination what you have to do? You have to do first, you suppose you want to eliminate the variable x, so you have to first equal the coefficient of the variable x in both the equation. So you have to equal the coefficient of the variable x in both the equation. Now you can see it is 3 in the above equation and it is 2 in the next equation. So the coefficient of x are 3 and 2. How to equal these two coefficient? You can multiply this equation. So if you can see this is 3 and this is 2. So if you multiply this coefficient by 2 and multiply this coefficient by 3, then both will get 6. Okay, so first you have to equal the coefficient of the variable what you want to eliminate. Suppose here I want to eliminate the variable y, so making coefficient of y equal. Now coefficient of y here 2 and here is 3. So what you have to do? You have to do some multiply here and some multiplication here. Now if you multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, this will be also 6 and this is also 6. So what we done here? Multiply the equation 1. So I have multiplied this equation by 3. Total equation I have multiplied by 3 and the second equation I have multiplied by 2. Okay, so 3 into total first equation. So whenever you want to multiplication by some number, you have to multiply throughout the equation. That means you have to multiply 3 with also a coefficient of x, coefficient of y, also constant term. So 3 into total equation, and second equation we are going to multiply by 2. So 2 into total. So next multiply 3 into 3 9x, 3 into 2 6y, 3 into 11 it is 33. 2 into 2x means 4x, 2 into 3y means 6y, and 2 into 4 means 8. Now you can see here the coefficient of y is equal 6 and 6. So you can eliminate. How you can eliminate? Now if you subtract this two equation, subtract this equation, this 6y will be cut and only you will get the variable x. So subtract 4, we are going to subtract this equation from equation 3. So I have written equation 3 here and next line equation 4, 4x plus 6y. Then you have to subtract, that means sign will be changed. This is subtraction, this is plus, there is minus, it was plus, that's why it is minus. Then you cancel out this, and this is 9 minus 4x equal to 5x, and 33 minus 8 equal to 25. Then you will get x equals to 5. Okay, now when you will subtract and when you will add, if your coefficient equal and same sign, that means plus plus or minus minus, then you have to subtract. Okay, and if your coefficient value is equal but sign is different, opposite, then you have to add. Okay, so we got the value of the variable x equal x, that is x equals to 5. Now then what you have to do, you have to do the value of x in any equation, equation 1 or equation 2, or you can put equation 3 or equation 4, any equation, put the value of x in the any equation. So here I have put the value of x in the equation of 1. So now 3x plus 2y equal to 11, it is the first equation. So putting the value of x equals to 5, that is 3 into 5 plus 2y equal to 11, and this is 2y equal to 11 minus 15, that is minus 4, so y equal to minus 2. So solution is x equals to 5, y equal to minus 2. So this process is very easy to find the solution. Just you have to first see that how to equal the coefficient, nothing else. So easy method. Now we are going to discuss the steps, whatever we have done above. Now first step is obtain two equation. So write the equations, then multiply the equation so as to make the coefficient of the variable to be eliminated. So you want to suppose eliminate x, so you have to equal the coefficient of x. For that you have to multiply the equations by some number. Next, add or subtract the equation obtained in the step 2. So after multiplication you have to add the equation or subtract the equations according to the same coefficient, same sign, or a opposite sign. If it is same sign both the coefficient, then subtraction is you have to do, and this opposite sign, then you have to add the equations. Then solve the equation in one variable, then substitute the value of the variable whatever you found in the step 4 and the any equation or given equation, and find the other value. Okay, understood? This was so easy method. Hope all of you understood and solve the problem from the exercise using this method. So we have already discussed two methods, substitution method and elimination method. So solve the question from the exercise using these two methods. Okay, thank you.